What's going on, everybody? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at a product review of a Bluetooth headset that I've been using for a couple of weeks. It doesn't actually have a name on this box, but according to Amazon, it's called Ekvanbel. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Here's the box. It doesn't actually have like a brand name on it, but according to Amazon, they list it under Ekvanbel, and the box actually has a model that says M102. So if you search for that, I'll put a link down below and just click the link. This is a Bluetooth headset that is just unbelievably good. It's only $45, which just kind of blew my mind, right? This box came with a charger that you could just plug into the headset and plug into your computer, or a USB connector, and then it came with this headset right here. The headset is obviously adjustable. See that? It could fit on my big head. It worries me because it is super comfortable, so comfortable. I don't know how long the little cushions will last. They're really soft. When I turn it on, it actually sounds like someone is standing right next to me talking. That's how clear it is. Right here, this is how you answer a call. This is the power button, obviously, so you turn it on just by flipping that little button right there. Volume adjustments. On this side, it's going to be increasing volume, and then on this side, it's going to be decreasing volume. That's how easy it is. You just have 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons on this thing, and it just works like it's supposed to. Make sure you have the Bluetooth setting on your computer set up so that it can search this little headset, and then, I mean, you're in action. It took me seconds to get this thing set up and going. I'm walking around in my office. I could walk 20 feet from the computer, and it still works. Like, I can still hear it. And everybody can hear me. It's insane how good it is. Anyway, like I said, $45. Amazon, I'll put the link down below if you like it, or if you don't like it, you have any criticism, put your comments down below.